Solving systems of equations by elimination method, example 2. Okay, we have 6c plus 7d is equal to negative 15, and 6c minus 2d is equal to 12. I lined them up one on top of the other, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my line, just like I'm lining up if I was doing a simple addition or subtraction problem. Okay, I look to see, is there any number or any variable here that I can go ahead and eliminate? I have a positive 6 and a positive 6. No, that doesn't make 0. Positive 7, negative 2. That does not make a 0 either. So therefore I need to do one thing in order to eliminate one of the variables. I'm going to choose to eliminate the c because the 6's are the same number, except I need to make one of them a negative 6. And how do I do that? I go ahead and multiply this whole equation by a negative 1. So if I multiply this by a negative 1, I get negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2. Negative negative is positive, and negative 1 times 12 is negative 12. Okay, now I look. 6 minus 6, is that 0? Can I eliminate the c? In this case, I can. Now I've got a positive 7, a positive 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Is 9d. And then I go ahead over here and I'm going to add negative 15 and a negative 12 is negative 27. Okay, the next step is just like we're solving any equation. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 9, divide by 9. So my d is equal to, 9 will go into negative 27, negative 3 times. I take this d, which is negative 3, and I'm going to plug it into one of my two original equations, and I'm going to go ahead and choose to plug it in to the top one. So now I have 6c plus 7 times negative 3 is equal to negative 15. 6c positive 7 times a negative 3 is negative 21 is equal to negative 15. Okay, again, numbers on one side, letters on the other, so I'm going to take the opposite of 21 and add 21 to both sides. So therefore I have a 0 over here. I still have a 6c on this side. And then 21 minus 15 is positive 6. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 6, and my c is going to be equal to 1. Okay, so now I've got my order pairs. My order pair, and when I list them, I'm going to go ahead and list them in alphabetical order. My c is 1, and my d is negative 3. So my c is 1, and my d is negative 3. And again, you could go through and plug them in and check your equation. I'm going to let you do that on your own if you like. So that is example 1, or example 2, excuse me.